Hello friends, today I will show you how to create a login form using SQL as a backend program. Here I will show you I have created a new table named admin with entities as ID and password. So here is my table admin. Now I will create a login form here with the help of two text boxes and a command button. Text box 1 is for ID and text box 2 is for password. So I'll just create a layout here. Here ID and password. Okay. Now I will create a command button here with the name login. Now first we have to add ADO/DC control here from the toolbox so that we could connect to our database. So here build Oracle, I will here put my server name and ID password. I will keep allow saving password for future references. Test connection succeeded. Okay, and just copy this string, connection string here, copy, and now record source, select AD command text and type here your SQL code here. Select start from admin, apply. Okay, now we have to just go to coding window, and in general section we have to declare two variables, one for a connection and other for record set. So here is my con named variable for connection and res for record set. In command button, here first we have to create a connection with the connection string I have copied from there. Now let me paste it here. That's it. Now I will create four variables to store, first two to store text boxes variables, and other two to store record from the table, and we have to compare it with each other. If succeeded, then we must log in to the database. Now here is the command record set dot open. Select I will use here SQL code as select ID from admin, and here we will select only first record. So I will put here where row num equal to 1 and connection name here con, and open key set and log premise tick. Now after this we will get string from record set. So I will use a equal to C equal to record set dot get string. After this record source must be closed after using any record, so I will use record set dot close, and same has to be done. Oh, I forgot to take values from text box 1 and 2. I will store it in A and B. Oh, same I should done for password. So type here record set dot open, select pass from admin where row num equal to 1, and the connection name con, open key set, and log primstick. Same d equal to res dot get string, and now we will close the connection here. I have used here numeric codes, ID and password, so that it should be easier to log into database. If you want to use text buttons, then you can also use comp str command in VB6 to compare strings. It is easier to use numbers to compare, and so I will use them here. So here, if A equal to C and B equal to D, then message this should be displayed. A message should be displayed that login is successful, else login failed. Now I will use here VB information, exclamation, and title here as login. Okay, now else part. Else message box, here login failed, VB critical, and login failed here title. And here let me change to login successful. And now our code has been completed. Let me show you running this. As you have seen, my ID and password was 1 and the login is successful here. If I change the password and ID anything, login is failed. It is easy way you can use this for your database. I can also show you changing this ID and password. I just have to update the ID and password in the table. Rather, I will show you this in my next tutorial. So goodbye, and I will leave it here. So thank you for watching. Please watch my next tutorial also. Thanks.